and play and learn new things each day. Hi.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to begin our 5th chapter, that is called The Monkeys and the Gardener. Unit 5, lesson number 5, The Monkeys and the Gardener. So this story is very nice story and moral story, and this video we are going to study reading 6 paragraphs, explanation and new words, and also brief information about this chapter. This is the first part. We are going to learn these points. So here you can see the meaning of new words. So first one, pretext. Pretext means an excuse or false reason, not true reason. It is a false reason used to justify an action. Approval means willing acceptance. Wither means to become dry, to fade, to droop. Resolve means settle or find a solution. Applaud means not upload. Applaud means show approval. And happy is a feeling or showing the pleasure. Excited, it means full of feelings and emotions. Longing to, it means expressing a wish to go. So these are the meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down. So before going to start this chapter, I would like to ask you a question. Look at the picture. Have you seen this? Have you ever seen this? Which place this is? Of course, you know that. So this is Varanasi. Is it? Varanasi is a city in northern India, also known as Banaras or Kashi. The city is one of the oldest continuous inhabited city in the world, and it is not only the spiritual capital of India but also the holiest of 7 sacred cities in Hinduism, and it played a significant role in the development of Buddhism. So this is the northern Indian. It is a city of northern India, means Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it is also called as a Kashi. And here have sacred river. Do you know that name? Yes, Ganga river, sacred river, one of the 7 sacred river, that is Ganga river. So this city, as I said you, it is one of the state of Uttar Pradesh. And it is also called spiritual sacred city and Hindus pilgrim. It is also one of the face who bathe in the Ganga's rivers, sacred waters and perfume funeral rites. So who will bathe in the Ganga river, so they will become pure. Funeral rites. So it is a belief of the Hindus. I know you to know about this. So why I asked you this? Because the chapter begins with this city. So that, look at here. It is one of the sacred place of India, northern India. I hope you know that. So let us start our chapter, The Monkeys and the Gardener. So before going to start reading, you should keep your textbook in front of you and put your finger. The king of Varanasi, also called Banaras, was a proud man. He had beautiful garden which was tended very lovingly by the royal gardener. The rulers of the neighboring kingdoms often came to Varanasi not to meet the king but to look at his garden. Meeting the king was just a pretext. So the monkeys and the gardener, the lesson begins with one of the famous sacred place city, that is Varanasi. So long ago, means before long ago, the king of Varanasi was very proud man. He was very proud man because he had a beautiful garden. Look at the picture. He had a beautiful garden in front of his palace, and that was taken care by the royal gardener. Royal gardener means very honest family gardening that garden. The rulers of neighboring means neighboring ruler kingdom of the ruler, they always visiting the Varanasi. They were visiting the Varanasi not to meet that king, Varanasi king. They came to see his garden. So meeting to the king, was just a reason, but their actual interest is to see the garden, to look at his garden. Because by saying this, just imagine how much beautiful that garden is. So all the ruler of the kingdom, neighboring kingdom, visiting to see the garden, his garden, not to meet the king. So here pretext means false reason used to justify an action. Then next, I said you that is was tending means take caring of that garden was by the royal gardener. So next paragraph, Ramlal's family had looked after the royal garden for generations. His grandfather, then his father, and now Ramlal himself. So royal gardener was called Ramlal's family. So his grandfather also become gardener of that garden, and after his father, now Ramlal. Now Ramlal was the gardener of that garden. Whose garden? The king of Varanasi. Is it? So next, there were huge trees lining the carriageway. The garden itself was dotted with islands of colorful flowers. So look at here. So here describing the garden, there were huge trees. It is only front picture. It is very deep garden in front of that palace. Huge trees are there, not only one trees, line by one, lying surrounding huge trees lining the carriageway. Means here, look at here, carriageway means roadway, lane means a small narrow road. So covering the line, the trees, huge trees, and the garden itself, it is dotted means those flowers, colorful flowers, look like islands. Look like islands of colorful flowers. Far away we are looking for that garden. It's look islands of colorful flowers. So it means that much beautiful garden. Is it clear? So next paragraph. One day, as Ramlal was weeding a patch of flowers, his friend Bansi came to meet him. He seemed very excited. He told Ramlal about a week-long fair that was going to start in their village. He invited Ramlal to accompany him. So he was doing the work in that garden. One day, what happened? When he was doing weeding means removing unwanted patches of the flowers. So that time his friend called Bansi came to meet him. Bansi came to meet him and he was very excited. Look, seemed means he looks very excited. Why he was excited? Let's see. Because in their village, he was Ramlal's village. His friend means both their villages are same. No. So in their village, a week long, after a week, a fair was going to start. After a week, a fair was going to start, means coming fair was started in their village. So he invited, Bansi invited Ramlal to accompany him to enjoy the fair, their village fair, because he will be in that garden itself. He can't go village to his village, because it is that job came from their family. So his grandfather also become gardener. He living there only. So Ramlal has to live in that garden himself. He can't go anywhere a single day, because every day the garden needs work in that garden. See? So that he was living there only. When his friend Bansi invited him to enjoy the fair in their village, to accompany him. So what happened next? Look at here. Now Bansi was a barber by profession. He could shut his shop for a week. After all, his regular clients did not come daily for a haircut. So Bansi was a barber. He was a barber. Do you know barber means? So cutting hair. Cutting hair. He was a professionally. He was a barber, and he can close his shop. He can close his shop for a week, 1 week, 15 days, because every day nobody can take cutting hair, is it? So the regular clients means the customers did not come regularly, daily. They will come monthly, is it? Monthly or 15 days to take haircut, so that he can shut his shop. But Ramlal, he can't close his job a single day. Why? Look at here. For a minute, Ramlal was very happy. They spoke lovingly about their village and the childhood they had spent there. He had almost agreed to speak to the king about taking leave for a week. Then he became sad. He thought of his garden, which needed care every single day. Who would water the plants? It was summer time, and all the plants would wither if they did not get water even for a single day. So, when he met his friend, he would become very happy to see him, and they spoke lovingly. They spoke each other lovingly. How they spent in their village, how they how they played in their village in childhood. They talking each other, memorizing those sweet memories. After he almost agreed, means he wanted to speak to, means he wanted to take permission to the king to go for a week, to take leave for a week, but then he became sad. But after he became sad because he thought that his garden, that garden, as everybody will think, if the garden is there, that is need a single day, that need care every single day. So if one day we did not water, what happen? Especially in summer time, the plants would wither, means here become dry if they did not get the water. Even one day they didn't get the water. If they didn't get the water, they would wither, means they would become dry. So, with a sad face, he told Bansi to proceed without him. So, with sad, by thinking these all, thinking about his garden, his job, with sad, he said that, no, Bansi, you can only enjoy. Without me, you can enjoy the fair. He rejected to come with Bansi. Next, what happened? Look at here. A large group of monkeys used to live in the trees within the palace. As the trees were healthy and big and full of fruits, they were never short of food. They used to thank the gardener often for maintaining a healthy home for them. So when Bansi went back, because Ramlal rejected to go along with him to enjoy the fair, so that garden was, in that garden living a large group of monkeys. As you know, if it is a garden, we can know that they were there living more animals. It means domestic animals, cats, rat, birds, is it? So in that garden, a large group of monkeys were living in that trees, in that garden trees, and the trees were healthy, big and full of fruits. So they living there itself, they were thankful to the Ramlal, and also they become close to Ramlal, who the large group of monkeys. And why they become thankful to Ramlal? Because he maintained that garden very healthy and very big and full of fruits. So he was taking care of that garden very honestly, responsibility. Next, so when they saw Ramlal looking very unhappy, their leader asked him what the matter was. Ramlal told him about the fair in his village and how he was longing to go but could not ask. So, the group of monkeys roaming in the garden, and Ramlal sat down and he was looking very unhappy. He was looking very unhappy. So, the group leader of the leader of that monkeys, he asked the matter, what happened? Look at here. He asked him, the leader of the monkeys asked to the Ramlal. So monkeys can ask, can talk. It means can signing. They give the signs. They can express their what they want to say. Is it? So they signed to asking what happened, what the matter. Then he told that I wanted longing to go means I am very interested to go to fair in his village, but I can't go. I can't go without, I can't live without my job, without my work, because here the garden need care of me, need care every day, so I can't go. Next, that he told to the leader of the monkeys, who Ramlal. Next, the monkey leader immediately offered to help him. He told Ramlal to go and enjoy the fair in his village, and for that whole week he and his troop would look after the garden. Next, we will water your plants every day. We can do at least this much for you, for providing us such a healthy home for so many years. So when he told his problem to the monkey leader, then immediately the monkey leader offered, means told him to help. He told, we will help you because you are given the healthy home for them, so that we can water every day plant. We will water your plants every day, and you can do this much, means at least you can do this much for you. We can help you. You can go and enjoy the village fair. They offered to the Ramlal. Next, what will happen? We will see in the next video. So, I hope you have understood clearly today's paragraphs. Now, I am going to explain briefly by showing the pictures. Look at here. The king of Varanasi. Look at here. He was very proud man. He had a beautiful garden, and it was taken caring by the royal gardener. His name Ramlal, because his father also doing that job, so that it was very beautiful. He taken, and the ruler of the kingdoms, neighbor kingdoms, came to visit that, to look at his garden, and he see, look at here. So now Ramlal himself take caring of that garden, and there was here, look at the garden. It's very beautiful, dotted with islands of the colorful flowers. One day his friend came to meet him, and he was very happy to say in his village the fair was going to start after a week. So he invited to Ramlal to accompany him. But Bansi was professionally was a barber. He can shut his shop, but Ramlal could not shut his job because the garden needed take care of every day, single day, so that he rejected that going to enjoying the fair, and he did not ask the permission to the king because they won't give. He knew that, so sadly he said that you can only proceed, you can enjoy without me. So when Bansi went back, and there were a large group of monkeys in that garden. So, and they were very thankful to the Ramlal because he maintaining the garden very healthy and giving the full of fruits, because that's why they were living in that garden. And once he became sad by seeing this, they asked the leader monkey asked him, then he said that why he was sad. Then monkey leader offered him, we will help you, you can go and enjoy the fair. And how many days you will go? Those days we will water your plants every day. We can do this at least this much for you, because you are providing us such a healthy home for so many years. So we can help this much for you, because we were thankful to you for providing us such a healthy home for us. So this is the brief story about today's paragraphs. I hope you understood. So now take down the homework, write the meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the whole lesson and the meaning of new words 2 times. Is it clear? Okay, so we will continue this story in the next video. Till then, thank you.